Hello everybody, we're on the M25 and we saw a big crane. Could it be today?
I really hope today's the day.
Oh my god!
Please.
Come on! Ah! Oh my god! It's insane! We just saw Stealth from the M3 turn around to the M25 now and we can actually see this massive crane.
I think it is the crane that was on site before, but
oh my god!
Hopefully the days of the support's going.
Come on! Ah! Sorry,
or at least the first set of supports. That'll be
oh my god! Yes, we're nearly there. We're nearly at Chertsey now. We're going to do an update for you all today. Oh my gosh! Happy Monday! So there is actually a name now, which was released on the press night of Fright Nights on the 5th of October, just been. Check this out and enjoy. This is the actual name for this ride. The hype.
That might be the actual crane.
That might be the actual one. Yeah, they really are on it today. Good lord, though. There's been a few people already down here, but they've given up and gone. But I'm not. I am not today. History making is now, and I can't believe I'm saying this, but we could be today seeing the vertical part of Hyperia. What do you think about the name of Hyperia? I said to the directors saying it's the strongest modern coaster name for the UK. And it's very nice indeed. Of course, I'm very excited, I'm proud of it, because I couldn't think in my lifetime that we are going to get bigger. Oh my god! Oh my god! My palms on the floor! Oh my god! Gee! Whoa! Whoa! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! This is it! Come on! I'm ready! I'm ready! Oh my god! Oh my god! Come on! Oh my god! This is it! Come on! Wow, that swing! I'm sure that is Jack over there. I'm sure that is. I'm sure that is Jack. He must be here. He could be laughing at this video thinking, oh yeah, that is me. Oh my god. I think we're doing the first, did you say?
The first people to see me go in, yeah.
And I hope Jack's in there. I'm sure he
I
is.
saw him over there. I swear I saw him over there recording.
Is he actually?
Yeah, I think so.
Jag, we're watching this as well. We are history makers right now.
I think he's literally right at the top of the site now.
Is he actually?
I think so, yeah. It might not be it. Take it back, that's a massive bit. That's probably the biggest bit so far.
That's the biggest one we've seen so far today. And we must have seen now about 6, 7 in the last 20 minutes. It's now 12:05 already. Can you believe it?
Ollie, you stand that way.
You sound like you're playing.
Yeah, I was with you. It's big, mate. Yeah, isn't it?
There's another one going in. Look at that. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. There's another one going in. That's quite long actually, isn't it? Look at that. That is exciting. Whoa! Whoa, look!
See what they're doing, they're connecting the two together.
Yeah, look at that. Oh, the detail now is coming in. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, that is so exciting. They must have put those together. They've already put it together. Do you know that? Mental. Oh my God. Here's reality today. Hyperia is on its way to new heights. That's crazy. They've already put 2 parts together into one crane. That's incredible. Can I believe this today? So the Mac family, one of the family members are in today, and the people with the orange high-vis are the ones putting it together basically. And the one in yellow high-vis are either workers or Jack Silkstone's in there. So we've been here 2 hours now, and we can actually tell you to confirm, and they know I was filming the moment when it goes up. They said we are officially the first people on the public ground to see the first vertical parts going up. Oh my God. And I think as well, Jack is one of them as well. So me and Jack and Lewis have actually seen that first few, a lot of supports being vertical in place already. Let me show you what we've done so far though. So here you can see already from some height. Look at that. I'll tell you what, it's not something you see every day doing this, but this is incredible. I'm absolutely grateful. Once in a lifetime to say this now, I'm seeing a big coaster in the UK, bigger than the big one. And oh my goodness me, it's coming together. We literally just want to see more parts going up. We're not having food. Well, are you feeling hungry? Whoa! More deliveries just come in! More deliveries just come in! Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God! Oh my God! No way! Look at this golden moment. Yo. Well, that's a big one.
Yeah, boy. Oh my goodness. Let's get it going.
Good, more exciting delivery. The concrete. That's amazing. It is still there. This is like bird watching today, but watching Hyperia going up. Oh my god. What was that?
They find out they picked up the wrong ones.
Imagine that they picked up the wrong ones they needed. Oh no.
The right ones.
Here we go. So there's a crane, the supports. I think I'm going to unload those now. So stay tuned just now. This is insane. One for the money shot, everybody. We got it today. This will last a lifetime. I literally cannot believe it. This is just a day to get the thing started. So all those supports that were in, excuse me, they are now, well, the truck is now going back to where it was. More concrete's arrived, and yeah, this is how it looks now. Exciting. So I keep filming these cranes and individual parts, but they are moving to the actual supports that's attached to. So they actually are putting it together. But once it's all put together, then they will put the actual thing in its crane, lift it up so high, and then transfer to its location. And that's the bit I'm waiting for now, because I keep filming individuals like you have seen, but it's going to be happening every time. So until I see more truck arrive with supports, I don't know if there'll be many more, but I'd like to see more. But yeah, you got the real deal today. Cool, that's big, isn't it? Hopefully they've not forgotten where it goes to now or belongs. It should be where it should be. It's going down. But that is after the water bank bit, and a ghost turn.
Literally just after the water splash.
Just after
So
the water
the section after the water splash with the little sideways airtime hill.
Yeah.
That's literally the bit that's going in now.
I'm glad you noticed. I had no idea, but yeah, when you said that, I was like,
Tell
oh
by the
yeah.
elevation levels and how it banks.
It's so cool.
Yeah.
I'll show you again. Then you understand what I'm saying. So that's the bit there. After the water bank, you do like a unique final bank turn before you enter the station. Oh, so exciting. Now this is going to be the longest support that we've seen all day. We've seen the very small ones to average. Now we're going to see some long ones coming in now. Oh my God. No way. Gold tracks in. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God! The track is on site! Oh! Oh my God! Come on! Never expected that today! Come on! Yes! Come on! Jag! you have not seen is, look. We've got delivery.
If they put tracking today, I tell you now,
I'm
they
gonna.
actually might.
I think so, but look at it.
They might do it for this section here.
Jack's missing out. I don't know why he's not here. Honestly, he's not here. I've asked him to come back and take some pictures. That moment, me and Lewis, I saw delivery. I looked at like something's arriving in a minute, and I thought, no, it can't be support. So I just thought, okay, no, something's about to come through. And that moment through that door, oh my God! Oh my word! Come on! Honestly, why? Come back! What's this moment? History's here!
So right.
That is absolutely massive. It's unbelievable. It's getting smaller to bigger heights of that banked turn. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, Jackson! Yay! Welcome to... Very much so alive today for this special day.
What an amazing day it is, eh?
Oh.
How quickly it's all happened.
Yeah, can I believe this? This is a real deal. I'm surprised the Thorpe Park haven't given me any free beer after all this time since 11 o'clock today.
Insane, isn't it?
It is. Like,
How long have you boys been here now?
like 11:30.
Actually, brilliant. I love the dedication.
We don't give up.
Crazy. I just need to get back on sunlight now.
We finally got Jack in the channel to say he was here as well. And he was not expected to trek as well to be on site. So we were...
It's a world exclusive.
World exclusive
Even
moment.
Jack knew.
It was just such a moment, and honestly, I think we're all lost for words how quick it's gone up. And I did a live stream on my Instagram, and I think it surprised a lot of people. Wow, and that's it for this update. What a day, what a moment. History makers are here, and Jack Silkstone today. What a day. And we even saw a MACK RIDES car. That was an exclusive as well. We're so excited because I saw this car turn up, and it was the MACK RIDES, official one from Germany. So yeah, we're gonna get some food now, go to the toilet, because we haven't been to the toilet yet since we left today. But we've done well. So be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for the support. It's coming! Hyperia's coming! Hyperia is now underway. History makers we are today. Till next time, see you later.
Stay gold.
And stay gold and fresh. Feel every single day. Because every day now, it's going to be wild to be gold.